Don't sleep on Walmart. Fun fact, Walmart.com has like 60 times less competition than Amazon.com. They still have 265 million weekly customers. Now keep in mind, that is the result of a quick Google search. And I recently made a video like this, and you guys absolutely went crazy for it. You went nuts. So we're back on Walmart.com, and we're gonna be doing some product research, but this time with the caveat of being, can we find products to sell on Walmart.com that you could start selling as a complete beginner? This is not some big hard project. I'm going for easy to source, easy to manufacture, easy to produce, not that expensive. Also be touching on a tool that not many people realize you can use to look at Walmart.com search volume, which is incredibly powerful. And good news, swim is in, soak up the sun. Also, this treadmill is on sale in case you've been putting on any. Wendy's is also selling chili now in a can. So I'm gonna start with departments, and let's just go into, let's see what we've got actually. We went sports and outdoors, and then we went fishing. I like fishing. See, told you. Wear it backwards because I'm cooler. Then this is simple. You just go to the categories, and then in the categories, we can go fishing accessories, and then you can open Helium 10. A lot of people don't know this. You can open Helium 10 on this page, and we could just see revenues here. And so what I would hope to see is some sellers with 5 figures of revenue. That would just show me that there's enough revenue to make a decent amount of profit here. And when I see this is just too small. So we're too niche right now. We have to back out. Because there's fewer sellers and fewer customers here, we can go into bigger and bigger departments and still have a fighting chance. Now, I went out of stock. Please don't make fun of me, but I did still do 25K in the last 30 days and just under 400,000 in the last 12 months. That's just selling one simple product like what I'm gonna be showing you how to do here today on Amazon.com. And I looked it up on Walmart, and there's some search volume there. Like, I'm highly considering selling on Walmart. I'm not making these videos just be like, oh, Walmart's kind of trendy. No, I've got my eyes on Walmart, people. Now, much like selling on Amazon, there's an application process that you go through. We're not gonna be touching on that just yet. We're just gonna be talking about the nature of finding products here and selling here and what the opportunity is. Let me know down below if you're interested in more videos about Walmart, by the way. I primarily make videos about Amazon. So the other option, you can do the departments thing, or we can just search right up in the search bar. So I could do like garden. Let's just search garden. Let's just see what happens when I search garden. Okay, and we get search results. And so then I can open up X-Ray on this page, and I could look at the sales right here. And I can scroll over and look at Walmart revenue right here. Walmart sales, Walmart revenue. Boom. By the way, if you need this software and you're cool, you want to make money. By the way, this is the only software that I use for both Walmart product research and Amazon product research. If you need it, you want to follow along with these free tutorials that I post here on YouTube. There's a link in the description, 20% off. Okay, garden's coming through. I could actually sort this revenue by just clicking on it. And you'll notice this is kind of the nature of Walmart.com. Is like there's the big brands have caught on. Like this garden hose makes $100,000 per month selling on Walmart.com. Check this out. If I go expandable garden hose, this is like something that would have worked well probably in 2015, 2014 on Amazon, by the way. Not even 2017. I mean, look at this. 46 reviews, 30,000 in revenue, 59 reviews, 5,000, 200 reviews, 22,000. Then we have one with 2,000 reviews. Dude, that's the 111,000 we saw. This one actually has 9,000 reviews, got 50,000 in sales. I mean, it's just like Walmart is like Amazon 10 years ago. I'm serious. I'm serious. And just to touch on that really quick, what that means is when there's less sellers and less listings, less everything, it's just naturally easier to rank. That they have less products to show customers. Yours gets shown more naturally. There's also going to be potential early mover rewards or advantages, I should say. Say you were going to go do something like bring organic snacks or eco-friendly soaps on Walmart, which is just completely obliterated and saturated on Amazon. Those are still getting developed, those markets. If you were able to secure a position at the top of Walmart.com in one of these big categories right now before they are blowing up and growing like they naturally will as a big company, you might be able to lock down some of these revenues that we've been seeing here with relative ease. Now, it should be noted that Walmart has a pretty strict, like arguably more strict process via getting into their fulfillment centers and using some of their systems, even getting the application completed. Amazon's startup process is just a piece of cake. Anyone can do it. You just sign up, start a business. Within a few weeks, you'll literally be selling on Amazon, which is obviously where I was able to find my success. Relatively easy strategy to do might be to just look at all of the most, like I went to home and then I just went to storage and organization. Go type all of these things into, or look at all these categories on Amazon, see what the top 10 listings look like and see what the most successful ones are doing. If there's nothing resembling that on Walmart and you're serious about getting into a low competition site to sell on, granted, like I said, this is just ideas that I have as I have them and I think they're good, and just putting alerts out there to my audience. You're able to actually model the success that is there on Amazon in categories on Walmart that are yet to blow up, but we can see climbing search volume. You're probably going to see some great success. And let me just go over and show you what I mean by that. If I were to go to Magnet by Helium 10, same thing that I was talking about earlier, link in the description, they made this suite of tools. Normally I'd be using Amazon Marketplace, Amazon.com. Well, they're ahead of everyone and they made this Walmart, option, Walmart Marketplace. So I could just click on that and I could search garden in Walmart Marketplace and hit get keywords. And I could pretty much reverse engineer the process. Just go look what's getting searched a lot on Walmart.com and then go see if there's great results for those things. Compare those results to the results that are on Amazon. Like such, we can see that this set has 6,000 units sold this month. Head over to Walmart. Okay, they're smart. See, they did what I was talking about. They already have this listing on Walmart with just 7 reviews. And then come back to my channel, watch all the videos I talk about creating a great presentation, improving the actual listing elements, improving your click-through rate, and doing those things that a lot of these early movers on Walmart won't be doing. It is like traveling back in time with the knowledge we have now. And so the only thing you have to be aware of is just making sure the demand is there, because as we go to Walmart, demand gets significantly smaller. We have to be using tools like Magnet by Helium 10 or X-Ray on their homepage to actually make sure that the products that we're looking at have significant sales. I like to look for 5 figures in sales personally, $10, $20, $30,000 per month, etc. We don't need 6 figures. It's too competitive, too big. I would encourage you, as you're looking at this opportunity and seeing if it's right for you, keep in mind, yes, there's a benefit to being a first mover. However, there's also a benefit in doing it right. So if you're going to be a first mover, move efficiently, get started quickly, but also take care to do it right the first time so that you stick there, right? Picture who the customer is that's buying this product. Picture how to get their attention onto your listing so that they click on you when you show up at the top of the page in a sponsored listing. And we look at some of these listing photos, and again, it's Amazon 10 years ago, and these listings make sales and they have reviews and they have customers. It's just everything's just not quite there yet. Right? So PSA to all my e-com entrepreneurs out there that like watching my videos, I've got my attention on Walmart.com. I'm actively approaching it as a future channel. I've got some tidying up that I'm doing on Amazon first, launching more SKUs here. My mind's not off of Walmart. And so as I get the information, I wanted to share it with you. And please do me the same favor. If you learned something about Walmart, come and tell me. If you sell on Walmart right now and you found this video, please tell me what's your experience been like. And if you're just still learning about Amazon and e-commerce and you want more content about the potential opportunity on Walmart, please let me know as well. It's super helpful to hear your feedback. Thank you so much for being here. Just a quick video for you today while I was thinking about it. Be sure to subscribe down below and I'll see you in the next one. Later.